Welcome to Mac 2311 for engineers. This is exam 2, problem number 6. In this problem, they go ahead and they give you a function that represents something like the depth of a river after so many days of rain, x being the number of days. They give you two parts to the question. The first part is to say what is the average rate of change of the water depth for the first 2 days, so t equals 0 to t equals 2. And then they also go ahead and they want to know what's the instantaneous rate of change at 2 specifically. So whenever they say average, you need to go ahead and just find essentially what the slope is. Rise over run, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, you could go ahead and use the formula d of 2 minus d of 0 divided by 2 minus 0. Because it's just, this is the height of the second day, the height of the first day, so you're subtracting the heights. And this is just the second day and the first day, so you're just subtracting the days. So this would give you the rate of change of height per day. So we can go ahead and compute that. And when you go ahead and plug in the 2, you can see that you get 100 plus 40 minus 16. 100 plus 40 minus 16. Then finally, minus d of 0. When we plug in the 0, these just go away and you get 100. So you get another minus 100. All divided by 2. Then these hundreds cancel out. And then you can go ahead and just divide the 2 out to both of these. So that's just going to give you a 20 minus an 8. And then 20 minus 8 is just going to give you 12. So 12 would be the average rate of change from day 1 or day 0 to 2. So that's the first part of the question. The second part of the question would be, what is the instantaneous rate of change at 2? So whenever they say instantaneous rate of change, or essentially don't give you the keyword average, you want to take the derivative. So let's go ahead and find d prime. The derivative, well, the 100 would go away because it's constant. The derivative of this is just going to be 20x. And the derivative of this is just going to give you negative 6x squared. And now you can feed the 2 in. So then we can go ahead and say that d prime of 2 is going to equal to 2 times 20, which is 40, minus 2 squared is 4 times 6, which is 24. And that gives you 16 as your instantaneous rate of change. Note that your average rate of change and your instantaneous rate of change don't have to be identical, or necessarily even exact, or in the same ballpark. But these are your final solutions.